this is a political response. This is a political problem right now when you look at the entire story, Akashdeep. So the more I think you allow this man to be a free man, this is what he'll do, Akashdeep. Will you now, will you even now say sooner or later action hoga, we'll do something? Because look at what he's done. He's obviously played politics. He's speaking about the Sikhs. He's speaking about the farmers, and he has zero word of remorse against what he has said.
No, Deepti ji, I totally agree with you on this. This is a political statement. And you know who fought Simranjit Singh Mann?
Don't tell me this. Don't tell me this. Don't cite history to justify your case. Mr. Mecca.
No, I'm not
Mr. Mecca.
citing history.
Okay, Mr. Mecca, we've heard responses that have come in from the Congress party also. जो ये कहते हैं कि कंगना को अपनी जबान देखनी चाहिए.
Yeah, see, that's a different kind of issue. What Kangana needs to do is not the point here. Mr. Mann's comment is very crass and tasteless and is actually reprehensible. It's as simple as that. So, what kind of a political discourse we are endorsing? That's the question. So, as far as going to what Kangana's other stuff are concerned, that's a different debate. That's not about this, right? So, where is the question? Simply, we just need to condemn this man's comment, and we need to alert our political system to be mindful of the language that they use or the way.
I'm glad, Mr. Mecca, I'm glad that you're saying this, but not very long ago, there was one statement that was put out on the Instagram handle of Supriya Srinath. Okay. I'm sure you remember that comment.
Yeah, I remember.
ठीक है, क्या भाव चल रहा है मंडी में? कोई बताएगा. Can you tell me what is the action that the party has taken? Anyone?
No, wait a minute. Deepti, now, I was very frank with you in this discussion. Now I see a clear-cut attempt to try to put the Congress, especially in the dark. Supriya Srinath has clearly clarified about her statement. She made her position very clear.
Okay.
Now you bringing it back. Now see, the point is, now you expect me to go back and list out all the things that are done by all other parties?
No, because all of you are guilty. Mr. Mecca, Mr. Mecca, these questions hurt you. These questions also hurt us. Whether it is Akashdeep Muni, whether it is you, whether it's anyone from the BJP Rami, we will ask questions to everyone. Because nothing happens. No, Mr. Mecca. Supriya then, I am not saying it's Supriya who had actually, put this out. But someone used her account to put out this comment, to which Supriya apologized. But then that's about it. An apology at times is not good enough. You can't say this to someone कि आपका rate क्या चल रहा है मंडी में और उसके बाद sorry बोल देंगे.
Okay. Very good. Nice narrative. I'm not going to fall into it. Let me ask you a question. Somebody wrote a book saying सफाई कर्मचारी को philosophical शांति मिलते हैं वो काम करने से. Did you question them?
Mr. Mecca,
Did you?
देखिए ना.
Wait a minute.
Mr. Mecca, why are you doing this? You are one of the better spokespersons of the Congress party. One of the better ones, sir. And so is Akashdeep. But today, both of you are indulging in whataboutery to justify why both parties have failed.